Nature's my priority. As far as having things, it's not my priority. I don't care about having jewels. I care about nature. Those are the jewels that I want to acquire. Well, trade lands are lands that the Nature Trust deems are not ecologically significant. My husband, Jack, and I gave 4 lots of land, I think, that were only small lots, but we gave it to the Nature Trust so that when the Nature Trust decides that they would like to sell that land, they can sell it and then they can buy other land that would be of greater significance. Jack and I, we wanted to find another way to give, so we chose to buy an insurance policy for $100,000. And so when Jack died, the Nature Trust could get the $100,000. I'm sure that if he could tell you, it's the best thing he ever did in his life.